Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you're planning to buy the Pixel 8 Pro and you're wondering whether the screen protector and the case from the Pixel 7 Pro are going to fit on the Pixel 8 Pro or not, well, unfortunately, none of them are going to fit. So the screen on the Pixel 7 Pro is a curved display. Here on the Pixel 8 Pro, we have a flat display, which means the screen protector is not going to fit. And that is the reason why the cases are also not working. So this here is the Caseology Athletics case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and this here is the Pixel 8 Pro. Let me try to put the case in. Now the case is fitting in over there, but you see over here on the sides you're able to see the bezels and it looks pretty ugly. Well, that is because again the Pixel 7 Pro had a curved display and they had to take care of the curved display, which is not present over here. Then the other thing you will notice is on the back, the camera bump, the camera bar on the Pixel 8 Pro is a bit different as well, and it is not looking pretty good either. As for your buttons, the power button works absolutely fine, so does the volume up and volume down. Your lineups for the USB Type-C and your speakers line up pretty good. So it could be a workaround while you are waiting for a case for the Pixel 8 Pro. You could use a case from the Pixel 7 Pro, but to be very honest, it does not look good. And for the long run, I do recommend you order a case specifically made for the Pixel 8 Pro.